In this video, I'll show you how you can link PSN PlayStation to your Steam account. What you want to do first is you want to open up Steam, click here and go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down and find remote play. Click on it and make sure that you enable remote play. Once you have this enabled, you can close it down, head over to Google and search for link PlayStation account to Steam. This will take you to the official PlayStation website and you're just gonna press on this one. Once you're in here, scroll down, press continue, and then it will give you a small guide on what you need to do right here. You just want to follow these steps simply by reading what it says and then follow them. And once you've done that, you will be able to link your PSN PlayStation to your Steam account. Now that's basically how it works, guys. There's not really much more to it. I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.